Hey friends, if you wish to fix WDF violation error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update drivers and Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab. Click on advanced options, optional updates and install them. Go to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the check disk scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.